Hi everyone, this is Sean Chen.
And I'm Anton Bayan from the Gaia team and Interior Real Estate.
Welcome home at 1758 Higgins Avenue in Santa Clara. Fully reconstructed, fully renovated, this house will exceed your most strict expectation of today's modern living standards.
This house boasts nearly 1,500 square feet of living area, and it comprises of 2 master suites, a guest bedroom, a bonus office up front. All right, you've heard enough of us. Let's take a look inside.
Walking into your new home, immediately to the left is your very own private home office. Sliding open the deco barn-style door, you'll see it is generous in size. Plus, having an east-facing window will allow morning sunshine to start your workday off the way it should be started, bright and happy. Further into the home, notice the vaulted 9-foot ceilings with multiple large skylights. This creates a very airy and roomy feeling. Take a look at the window count. Plenty of windows surrounding the living room and dining area. This will bring in so much natural direct sunlight. Within the living room, there's an electric fireplace with modern, large format tiles from the ground up. Adjacent is the gorgeous kitchen, showcasing a beautiful end-to-end waterfall kitchen island which has additional cabinets. Speaking of cabinets, your new home comes with elegant European-style cabinets with soft close features. With all new stainless steel appliances, this kitchen has everything, including an additional skylight, surely to impress all of your friends and family. Further into your new home, take a look at the common bathroom. Impressive with a floating vanity, matching European-style cabinets, elegant tile from the ground up, this bathroom is just stunning. Stepping into the first of 2 master suites, the exclusive bathroom is just as impressive as the first, with the floating vanity, matching cabinets, and European-style tiles. Take a look at the second master suite. This suite has a large walk-in closet and a large bathroom with floating dual sink vanities and an impressive large walk-in shower with glamorous tiles. All rooms in this home are generous in size and the floor plan is perfect, having all bedrooms adjacent to each other and the home office on the other side of the property. And the kitchen, dining, and living room is the central location within the home. This home also has a very low maintenance landscape. On top of all these features, this home comes with recessed lighting, dual pane windows, hardwood flooring, a very modern exterior look, and a high porch ceiling entrance.
Alright guys, you've seen this property and you heard all about it. Now it's time for you to schedule your tour today.
Come on over and we'll be waiting for you.